Good morning, student. We are starting with the chapter 8, our agriculture. Agriculture means cultivation of land. It also includes horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. Agriculture provides food for people and raw material for the industries. Agriculture gives us food and raw material for the industries. So, what is a horticulture? Horticulture is the growing of fruits, flowers, and vegetables is called as horticulture. The cultivation of fruits, vegetables, and flowers are called horticulture. The animals kept by farmers for their use, like sheep, goat, ass, mules, horse, are called livestock. This is fishing. Fishing is also a occupation. Agriculture provides us food and for people and raw material for the industries. More than half of Indians are farmers. This makes agriculture the main occupation of our country. Children, most of our Indians are farmers. So, agriculture is the main occupation of our country. Most people live in eastern and southern India. They love to eat rice mostly. Now, types of crops. India has a favorable climate, fertile soil, and good irrigation facilities to grow crops. The crops grown are of two types: food crops and cash crops. India has a good climate or favorable climate for the food growing of crops. Fertile soil and favorable climate give the good quality of fruit crops. Somewhere the crops which are grown to be used in industries are for sale in the market are called cash crop. And what is food crops? The crops which are grown for own eating is known as food crops. Some examples are rice, wheat, millet, and pulses. We can see the map here, 8.1, where the few crops are given. Rice crops are given, the ideal climate is given, states where it's grown. Then first one is rice. Rice needs hot and wet climate. West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha are the states where it is grown. Rice needs water to be grown. Next is wheat. Wheat needs ideal climate like cool and moist. Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, they are the main producer of the wheat. Here the climate is cool and moist, which is favorable for the crop wheat. Next is millet. millet, jowar, bajra and ragi. It needs hot and dry climate. Maharashtra, Telangana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. These are the hot and dry states. Then next is pulses. They need dry. Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. They need the dry climate. Here you can see the some vegetables, flowers, fruits, rice and wheat. In this picture you can see some vegetables, flowers, rice and wheat are given here. Cash crop which are grown to be used in industries or for sale in the market are called cash crop. Cash crop, the main cash crop are sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea and coffee. The crops which are grown to be used in industries and for sale is called as cash crop, right? The main cash crops are sugarcane, jute. Cash crop are those crops which we cannot keep in our homes in bulk and we have to sell it in the market. The main cash crops of our sugarcane, we cannot keep the sugarcanes at our homes. Jute, we cannot also keep the jute at our homes. Cotton, tea and coffee, this we have to sell it in the market or in the industries. By sugar we make jaggery or gur and sugar. When we give the sugarcane in the industries, factories, they process sugarcane into jaggery and gur, sugar. Jute is used to make bags and carpets. Cotton is used to make clothes. We cannot keep the cotton at home and we cannot make the clothes at home. So we sell it or we give it to the industries. They convert the cotton, they process the cotton into clothes. Tea and coffee are the popular drinks. Here you can see the mat of jute and a cocoa beans. So here through this we get the cocoa powder. Here you can see the table number 2 of cash crop. Crops and their ideal climate, what they need, state where they are grown, the states where the favorable climate is for these cash crops. First is sugarcane. Sugarcane needs hot and moist climate. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh are the suitable state for sugarcane growing. Jute needs hot and wet. West Bengal, Bihar, Assam and Odisha are the states where it's grow. Cotton needs hot and moist climate. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh are the states where it is grown. Tea needs hot and wet climate. Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Himachal Pradesh are the states where it is grown in bulk. Next is coffee. Coffee need hot and wet climate. Here you can see the it is given yellowish is wheat, where yellow is given it is wheat, then light yellow is rice and wheat. Sugarcane, the symbols are given and in the box it is written there. Jute is, you can see where in the northern side it is jute. Now sugarcane in the west side of India, you can find there. This is the eastern side where you can find the coffee. In the south, you can see the coffee. These are the distribution of some crops of India. This is your checkpoint. After reading the chapter, you can do it. Now, what is agriculture production? Agriculture production is, in simple word, we can say the quantity of crops grown in our fields and farms is known as agricultural products. We got independent in 1947. After that the growth of agriculture improved, because we have started using the good quantity seeds and we are using the good quality of irrigation. One more thing, we are using the pesticides. Pesticides are the substance sprayed on the crops to keep away harmful insects, right? What is pesticides? Pesticides are the substance sprayed on the crop to keep away the harmful insects. And what is raw material? Basic materials from which something is made. For example, sugar is raw material, and sugar is the final product after processing the sugar cane. Okay, sugar cane is the raw material. What is raw material? Material from something is made. Okay, what is horticulture? Now, horticulture is the cultivation of fruits, flowers and vegetables is called horticulture. They are grown for sale in the market. It is generally deals with the garden crops. They are grown to sale in the market. Fruits like apple, pineapple, lychee, flowers like jasmine, gladiolus, tuberose, marigold, vegetables like cabbage, potato, peas. The horticulture crops mostly grown in the Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim and the northern eastern states. This is gladiolus. You can see the picture here. These are the flowers which are grown for the sale in the it is used for the exports also. It is exported to the other countries also, and it is flowers, fruits and vegetables. We send it with the flights. What is livestock rearing? Livestock, animals which farmers keep for their use are called livestock. It include cow, buffalo, bullock, sheep, goat, camel, mule and yak. They are useful in many ways. The farmers keep the animals for their use, so this is called as livestock rearing. The animals which they kept are cow, buffaloes, bullocks. Cow is used and buffaloes are used to give. They give milk. Their waste is used as manure. Bullocks are used to plow fields, draw water from the wells and pull carts. Wool is obtained from the sheep and camel. The skin of sheep and goats are used to make leather goods. With the help of wool we make the clothes. Meat of sheep and goats is eaten. They used to eat the meat of sheep and goats. Camel are very useful in desert. camel is also known as the ship of the desert because camel can live without water for a long time, and in desert there is a shortage of water. Mules and yaks are used to transport and people in hilly areas. Mules are the types of small horse, and yaks are used to transport goods and people in the hilly region. Next is our fishing. Here you can see the mule are used to carry loads in the hilly area. Now this is the pineapple grown here. This is India export to fish catch to many countries. Next is our fishing. Fishing is of two types, marine and inland. Catching fish from the sea is called marine fishing. It is done in the state located along the coast. Fishermen catch sardine, mackerel and shrimps from the sea. Catching fish from rivers, canals, lakes and ponds is called inland fishing. It is popular in Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Assam and Himachal Pradesh. Fishermen catch rohu, katla, freshwater prawns and trout. What is marine fishing? Marine fishing is done along the coast. Fishermen catch sardine, mackerel and shrimp from the sea. Marine fishing is done from the sea, and the catching of fish from river, canal, lakes and pond is called as inland fishing. Here you can see India exports its fish catch to many other countries also. They are the fishermen who catch the fish from the sea coast, समुद्र के किनारे. Here are some quick recap. The cultivation of land is called agriculture. What is cultivation? Agriculture. Cultivation of land is called agriculture. It provides food for the people. Rice, wheat, millets and pulses are food crops. Sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea and these are the major crop of India. Here you can see the pulses, the tea bagan, the jute, cotton, tea, sugarcane, rice. These are the major crops of India. Here you can see the jute. These are the Indian food crops. So, better quality of seeds, irrigation, fertilizer, pesticides and tractors have enabled farmers to grow more and better crops. After using the fertilizers, pesticides and irrigation and good quality seeds, the farmers are growing better crops. The cultivation of fruits, flowers and vegetables is called horticulture. Farmers also keep some animals. They are called livestock. Both marine and inland